Well, you can't buy much for £1 these days, can you? What you can do though is you can take a shop that sells things for £1, listed on the London Stock Exchange for an absolute fortune, and then sell shares in it for more than £1, which is exactly what Poundland did a few years ago when it made its way onto the London Stock Exchange's main market. Now this morning, Poundland has launched its figures for the last financial period. 16% increase in revenues. Sounds a bit bizarre, doesn't it? But it isn't so bizarre. The last year or so has resulted in a lot of people tightening their belts, and Poundland attributes this increase in revenues to the fact that a lot of people who are on a tight budget have been shopping in Poundland. Now, Poundland's business model has changed over the years. It doesn't just sell things for £1 anymore. You can buy things in Poundland for the princely sum of £10. So there you go, a 10 times increase in the sale of products, the prices of the sale of products. Not something that many shops can get away with. Now, perhaps if you look at the figures on the face value, there's been a lockdown over the last year, so although those people wanting to save money might want to shop in Poundland, it has been closed for a large proportion of the period, which makes those revenue figures even more remarkable. So there's life in the old high street yet, it seems, as long as the price is right. And at the moment, the share price in Poundland is pretty stable, but a 16% increase in revenue for a retail shop when most retail is really struggling is not to be sniffed at. Are you listening to that, Amazon?